Hi Sunday School kids, it's Teacher Christine. I hope you guys have all had a great week and that you've been staying safe because of how hot the weather's been lately and because of all the crazy fires. For this week's craft, we are going to be doing it on the lesson where we learned about how God ordains the Day of Atonement, which comes from Leviticus 16, 1-34. We also learned that the Day of Atonement points to Christ. And from the lesson, we also learned that the Day of Atonement was a special place once a year when the tabernacle and all of its people would be purified from their sins. So for our craft today, we're going to need 2 printouts. So if you don't already have it with you, please go ask Mommy or Daddy for some help to print it out. The first one looks like this. And it shows a picture of the high priest who is offering his sin offerings for atonement, where he needed his sins to be paid for and washed away by the blood of a substitute sacrifice. Here we see that he is sacrificing the 2 goats, and over here is a picture of a cross where it represents how Jesus paid for our sins. And the other piece of paper that you'll need is the one with the Bible verses. We'll also need some construction paper, scissors, a glue stick, and something you want to color with. So today I'm going to use some markers, but you can also use crayons too. So now that we have all of our materials, let's get started. So first we're going to need to cut out all the pieces. If you need some help with this part, please ask Mommy or Daddy. We're going to need to cut out the high priest with the goat and the cross, and we're going to need to cut out the verses. So since there are 6 verses and they're the same, we just need 3 of them. So after you're all done cutting your pieces, you should have the high priest with the goats, the cross, and your 3 verses. 1, 2, and 3. And after you're all done cutting, we're gonna glue it or paste it on a piece of construction paper. Today I'm gonna use blue. Please follow along so we can do this craft together. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a red arrow that shows how the great Day of Atonement points to Christ. So I'm going to take a red marker After you're all done drawing that red arrow, the last thing we need to do is just to color our picture. So when you're all done, it should look like this.